Hello ladies, and welcome back to Still Looking Good 58, the channel that reviews wigs for the mature woman. Today I have another Bobbi Boss wig for you, and I'm excited about it as I was with the Harina wig. And this one is called Melony, and it's Melony with a Y. And the color that she has on is really pretty, but that's not the color that I got. She is wearing a TT1B 2763, and I believe I got an F430. Yeah, so this is what I got. This is the F430. This is the one that I got. I wanted something that wasn't like crazy and just, you know, I just wanted a regular wig. So anyway, this one has really nice curls in it at the bottom, and I like this F430 color. I think it's pretty. And you know this is my style, because if you've seen any of my videos in the past, you know that when I see a wig that looks like this, it's going to be mine. So what I wanted to do before I put this wig on, well actually I'm going to put this on and show you something. Well, before I do that, this is another one of those faux scalps. It's that HD illusion faux scalp thing. And I had that when I had the Carrie Bob, and I showed you how I was keeping the faux cap in, but I'm not sure I'm going to keep it in for this wig, and let me just show you why. So the faux scalp, again, it's not a problem for me because it's my skin color. But what I did find is that when I decided I wanted to pluck the front of it, you'll notice that the faux scalp line is really close to what's a little bit you have to pluck. And the problem with that is that you're only going to be able to pluck so much before you hit up against this, and it's going to make a straight line regardless of what you do. You're going to have a straight line, and that's unfortunate because it has to have the straight line to have this sewn on here, right? Okay. Oh, and I don't have nails on today, not because I don't like this wig, but because I've got this stuff that I'm putting on my nails now to make them grow. So I decided I wasn't going to put any fake nails on. So getting back to the topic of this, I'm thinking that if I end up deciding to take this faux cap off, that might be a better opportunity for me to pluck it more, but you're not going to really do much plucking with this faux cap on. So I'm going to go ahead and style this up on my head, and we'll talk about it on the other side, okay? Okay. I don't know if you can see this. I'm going to get as close as I can. The knots on this wig are big. And since the knots are big, it's going to really look whack even if you pluck it. So I love this wig, and you know, I'm not mad at it. But it's going to take some work, and like I said, it probably would make more sense to take the faux scalp out of it so that you can pluck it better. I'm sorry, my face is out of the camera. But let's just get to the specs instead of me freaking out about this right now. Okay, so she is a nice length, and I like that, you know, I can make it any kind of a part I want, but you guys know I'm a lefty, so that's why it's left. And the way she has it is a left, so you know, you may want to keep it that way because of the way the bang goes. Let me show you what she looks like in the back. This is her in the back. I think she has nice curls, but I'm still debating what I want to do with it, whether I want to mess with this and take this faux scalp out of this and try to pluck it, or what I want to do. Okay, hold up. Okay, ladies, yeah, I stopped the video because I wanted you to know a couple of things. Yes, I did take out the false scalp, and I plucked it a lot, and I put some foundation underneath, just a little bit, because the black knots were showing once I took out the faux scalp, and then I just laid some baby hairs. So let me just let you see what it looks like. Yeah, so now it's got, and I probably put a little bit too much foundation underneath because it's kind of showing through, but yeah, it's still, at least I was able to pluck it much better, and I was able to lay the baby hairs down, and it's just better than it was with that faux scalp in there, because that line of demarcation is not there, if you saw that. So yes, so that's what I did. So I stopped the video because yeah, I decided to go ahead and make those changes. Now I'm going to show you the back of the hair. I did not lay this down all the way on the sides, but I'm just going to roll around so you can see the back. This hair is a bit thin, so most of the hair I had up front because it's a bit thin. It's the style that I like, as I mentioned to you earlier today, but yeah, it definitely needed to have that faux scalp taken out of it. So, but I think she's a really nice style. She's a nice length. I like the fact that she's a light yaki texture. Let me just show you close up. She's a light yaki texture, and I like that about her. So yeah. So if you are interested in Melony, I will leave her information down in the description section for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss any of my uploads. And ladies, as I always say, if you're going to show love to anyone today, please show it to the creator. I'm still looking good, and of course, so are you. See you next time.